Hi Sagittarius, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do your reading for the month of August 2020 and we'll see what are the cards for you and what is coming towards you in August. Alright, so as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you, right? And for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. All right, now, so before we start doing your reading, when I was doing pre-shuffling, the cards which I got were the Queen of Swords, Magician, and one more I got. Which one? The Five of Pentacles. Yes. So there was a message which actually, which dealt with that you took a decision. You were very straight in something. Whatever decision was this, like leaving somebody in cold, or like leaving someone, because I feel that there was something with this energy. You were not feeling good with this person and you took a step. You were really very cold with this person because you were very direct. You were not able to entertain any nonsense, I was able to see. So might be this person actually just did something to you, and that is why you were like, I cannot deal with you, man. You are just so immature. Don't have anything. Basically, you don't have those guts. So you were not able to tolerate that nonsense. So that is why I saw that you actually left somebody, and it was really clear cut. So let's start with your reading now. One more shuffle. Okay, so I'll be looking at your past, present, and future energies. Okay, so we'll see what does you have. So at the back of the deck, it's the Queen of Cups. Okay, so it might be you, might be the other person, because somebody is feeling emotional. A Cancer might be, but King of Cups is also here, a Scorpio. So I see that might be there was love in the situation. Let's see what is it. Okay, so with the Queen of Cups in your overall energy, I'm seeing that it's you, because this is your overall energy. I'm seeing that you are feeling emotional for someone. You are ready to take some kind of an action, but you don't know that whether it will become fruitful or not, whether it will give you results or not. It might be your job as well. It might be related to anything in your life. You know that somewhere deep down that you can do this, but you are not able to take an action regarding that. In your past energies, you have 9 of Cups, 10 of Rods, and 10 of Cups. So 9 and 10 has come up together. So there was a decision. See, 9 going towards 10. This is a time where a completion, a fruitful relationship coming into existence. But with the 10 of Rods, I'm seeing that there was some kind of endings as well. There were some kinds of, because 10s, they always indicate that if you are you have started something new, or some problems with whichever you were dealing with, they are also coming to an end. There is some kind of pressure, and for some of you it's like yeah, for some of you, yeah, I got it. So this is a energy where you were happy with someone, and but it was just 9 of Cups with them. 9 of Cups is a place, is an energy where you are meant to be with someone, but it's not the marriage card. Basically, you are with them with a very beautiful bonding you have, but you haven't married that person. So with the 10 of Cups, it's like you want to get married, and that is what it was burdening you. This person was everything for you. This person was loving you. You also love this person, but they were not taking any step after that what? We have spent so many years with each other. Now what? So you were wanting to go in this place, to go towards the 10 of cups, a happy married life, but this thing was a burden for the other person. We'll clarify. With the knight of swords, 4 of swords, and 7 of rods, I'm seeing that you actually want that the other person should take a step, because you are not able to take a step. You are telling this person that I am ready to move on, but what about you? You want this person to take a step, to take a stand for you, for this relationship. In the future, I'm seeing the Empress, King of Cups, and the Star. Yes, so it might be that this person is really emotional for you, love you the way you love them. Um, but we'll clarify whether he or she will take the step or not. Okay, so let's see. Let's see what this Queen of Cups has over here. Queen of Cups, 2 of swords, and 6 of pentacles. Yes, a step needs to be taken for some stability, to find the harmony between you two, because you know that you are emotional, you are ready, but why this person is not ready? We both share the same things, with the 6 of pentacles, we both share the same bond, we both love each other, because King of Cups and Queen of Cups is also here. Like, there is a give and take from both the sides, but still, why are you not taking any action? You might be dealing with a Libra over here. Let's see what is the 9 of cups in your past energies. Ace of Cups and Knight of Cups. So this was a really beautiful relationship. It was going fine, everything was, you were meeting together, you were having some coffee together or something, related to love, and you shared everything, all the feelings, emotions are from both the sides, I'm seeing. Let's see what is this 10 of rods over here. Alright, so the Hermit, 7 of pentacles, and the Moon. Yes, you were worried because this person was not taking any stand. This was going on, might be for 7 years of a relationship, but nothing. When you talk to them to take a step, nothing. And that was the thing which was actually, it was making you like, oh my god, what is this? My family is telling me that I really need to get married, and what about you? You are in that zone. Might be dealing with the Pisces, Cancer, or Virgo as well. You were in that place that this person was in the hermit mode. This person was not ready to take a step, and that was worrying you. Because people were coming towards you, your family was coming towards you, that what do you need to do now? Take a step, or otherwise get married to someone else, something like that. Okay, so but it was all, nothing was going on, because these all are the cards, which means that no step is being taken, everything is just as it is going. So this person, might be this is the Knight of Cups you were dealing with. This is a Casanova card, might be a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, but it is more looking like this person was in this energy where he or she is the Knight of Cups, the Playboy card of the deck. So this person loves to share love emotions with you, but when it comes to stability, they just find it like, oh my god, I cannot do it right now. So let's see what is this 10 of Cups in your past energy. Ace of Rods and 9 of Rods. Yes, so when it comes to start a new not new relationship, new journey, like you were boyfriend girlfriend, now you want to become husband and wife, then this person kinds of, blocks start blocking you, stop talking to you the way he or she was used to do. So you were like, we are so good together. When I talk about to start a new family, then you are like this, like you don't even know me. What is happening? The things are really hidden. Sagittarius, I'm telling you, you know that something is fishy over here. They are hidden because you don't know the exact face of this person. Are you dealing with a Gemini? Because they have two faces. Alright. So let's see what is this Knight of Swords. Knight of Swords in your present energy. Okay, Ten of Swords and the World card. I'm seeing that something is finishing over here. Like somebody is taking a step, and it's like it's better to get it over. Like I'm seeing that there is love in the situation, but still something is ending. Is it you who is ending all these things, and you are taking a step finally because you are not able to deal with your parents and something like that? Because see, I'm seeing that something is getting over, and with the Ten of Swords and the World card, it's more of a closure of a cycle. Some cycle is coming to an end. Might be with this person, or might be the cycle of this person is coming to an end. Like, to start something new. We'll see what is this. What is this page of Four of Swords, Three of Pentacles, and Page of Cups. Okay, so I think this is something new which you are going towards, because you are healing from a situation over here. With the Four of Cups, you are silent. You are more into that zone that it's better to end these things. If you are not able to carry it forward, please end it, because I am not able to face my family now. And you are entering in a zone where, a partnership kind of a zone, some kind of a new relationships, new messages, some kind of newness I'm seeing over here. Might be your parents are telling you to see more people, Shadi.com, matrimonial sites, and everywhere you are. Let's see what is the Seven of Rods though. Seven of Rods, please. Nine of Pentacles. And what else do we have? Four of Wands. Yeah, okay, I got it. It's you who are taking a stand now, because you are seeing that the person is not going to take any stand, and it's more of an energy where you are more happy to be single. That if you are not ready to take a stand, I have to take a stand, and that stand means that it's better to stay apart. And because you need to get married, you have to you have a lot of things in your mind. You have to move towards some kind of a security. I'm seeing that. So that is why you are taking a stand of yourself. You are moving in the zone. You might not even get married basically, but it's more like self-satisfaction kind of a feeling where at least like over here in this situation, you never knew that whether this person, what is this person thinking, whether he will admit it or not. But at least when you are taking a stand, you know where, in which direction you are moving. If you will not get married also, that is also fine for you, but at least you know that you are getting married or you are not getting married. But because in this confusion, you were actually getting sick, you were getting into deep depression, I was saying. Let's see your future energies. The Empress, Nine of Cups, and a Three of Wands and Eight of Wands. All right. So yes, you are moving forward and seeing the Empress with Nine of Cups and Three of Wands and Eight of Wands. Yes, you you are more into that zone where you are meeting new people, you are going on in your life. It's better to, move on rather than staying in a situation which is not even moving. So this does not involve that you will just get married with anyone who will just come and show. No, it's more like you are into that journey where you are exploring new things, where you are entering into your me time zone. I'm seeing that your growth is really important right now. That is what you are entering into. For okay, let's see what is this King of Cups over here. Your future energies. King of Cups clarified by King of Cups. What else do we have? Okay, yeah, I got it. This is a very different energy. Oh my god. Okay, so there are two people over here coming up in your life. This might be the same person who was not able to take a step because he was Knight of Cups. Then he might become the King of Cups in the coming future. And I'm seeing that now when you are finally moving. Oh my god, just a second please. Okay, so when you are finally moving on, you are in that energy where I'm single, I'm happy being single, I'm growing. See how this Empress is growing. She is enjoying her life alone. So then these people are coming up, these two King of Cups, and they are actually, taking a stand for yourself, for you, basically what I'm saying. Okay, so they are taking a stand for you, and there are two people both with the same energy. So you have to take a decision then, because both are the King of Cups. They both might be Scorpios, but there is more of an energy where they are like madly and deeply in love, because you are the Queen of Cups, and now they are becoming the King of Cups. Wow. Okay, it's actually giving me goosebumps. Okay, so let's see what is the Star over here. Page of Swords. Alright, what else do we have with the Star? And Five of Pentacles. Alright, what else? Knight of Pentacles. The Eight of Cups at the back. Okay, so I'm seeing that. Okay, with this energy I'm seeing that you might take a step. You know that what to do. You are taking a step, and you are going to leave somebody over here, because with the Eight of Cups over here and with the Five of Pentacles, you are going to leave someone over here. You are not ready to take any shit, because you know what you actually dealt with. You dealt with a person who was not even sure what he has to do. So some things are, with the Page of Swords and Knight of Pentacles, it's like when you will take a decision. So when you will take a decision, there will be a person out of these two, or whosoever this person is in your life. The way you were waiting for them, now they will wait for you. So whatever decision you will take, you know that this person is like, I am in my mode now. When I am doing some work for myself, I am just going on in my life. Now all of a sudden you come up in my life, first of all, and then you are telling me that you are giving me the proposal. But it's like now you are more in that energy where you are not ready. So really nice energy. Let's see what the universe has for you, for my Sagittarius. Any advice from the universe regarding the situation or something else? What is the advice for my Sag, please? Advice for my Sag. Eight of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, and Knight of Rods. So this is you. So the universe is telling you, if you have finally come up in your mode, if you are in that mode where you want to be happy, so I think you should go on. Not me, the universe is telling that you should move on with something which is more stable. If you are finding a work, a job, because see the pentacles now, so you are, I'm seeing that for some people you are, even because of the 9 of pentacles over here, you are actually getting independent with money as well. So if you have finally found the passion, the beginning of something new, you know that this is something which can bring happiness in your life, whether it's the person or whether it's your job, anything. So go with that, okay? If you really want to invest your time in that, in your energy in that thing, if you are ready, because with the King of Pentacles, this is someone who is very mature. If you have reached this stage of becoming the person, of taking a decision of your life, then go on with that. That is what the universe is also saying. Alright Saj, that's all from my side. I hope it helps. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.